welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝐒𝐞𝐗 and I am back with another video on the OOP series. So this is also a continuation of lecture number 14 where we would be having a look on types of inheritance, multi-level inheritance. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before moving forward in the video, are you someone who is looking to upskill yourself? Are you someone who is applying to jobs but getting rejected? Even if you are a working professional or a student. So you are at the very right place. Newton School Full Stack Development Program would help you to upskill yourself and get yourself job ready. There are mentors from top-notch companies like Amazon, Google, Flipkart and much more who would be helping you from the very scratch to develop all the skills and get yourself job ready. There are 1500 plus students who have been placed into 800 plus companies like Google, Flipkart, Zomato, Xiaomi, Razorpay, Snapdeal, TCS and much more. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and apply. The link is in the description. So in the prior videos, we watched what is single inheritance, what is multiple inheritance. So just giving you a brief overview about these both. So as you can see from the word, single means one and multiple means many. So whenever there is one base class, it is called as single inheritance. Whenever there are many base class, it is called as multiple inheritance. So as you can see, base class, this is the derived class. So this derived class is deriving its properties from the base class. Now there is base class 1, base class 2, base class 3, and then there is a derived class. So this is also deriving its properties from this class, this also, this also. So you can see there are many base classes and there is a single base class. So whenever there is a single base class, it is called as single inheritance, and whenever there are many base classes, it is called as multiple inheritance. Now coming to the point, what is multi-level inheritance? Let me just clear my screen a bit. Okay. Now again, see guys, if you want to understand inheritance, now go through the words as well. See, single inheritance means one, multiple means many. Now here comes the term multi-level. So what does this multi-level means? Means there are many levels. You know about levels, right? N is equal to 0, N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. Don't worry, I'm not here to teach you chemistry, but I'm just giving you like there are many levels. You have also seen in the game level 1, level 2, level 3. I hope many of you are playing game as well. So level 3 and level 4. So we know there are many levels. Just come to the software engineer perspective as well. L1, L2, L3, L4. Yeah, sorry for getting a bit off topic. Yeah, so basically there are many levels, right? So multi-level means whenever there are anything that is happening on a level. So this is called as multi-level. So as you can see from the definition, a derived class is produced from another derived class in this inheritance. So let's know about this from an example. So let's see. So consider there is a class called as A. For now, this is a base class. Okay. Now there is a class B which is inheriting properties from class A. So for now, it is a derived class. Now what if there is a class C which is deriving its property from class B? So what is happening here? So basically A is the base class in this case, then B is deriving its property from A. So B is the derived class. Now what if C derives its property from class B? So for C, B is the base class and C is the derived class. So you can see like level 0, level 1, level 2. So as you can see that at different levels a single base class is being inherited by a derived class. Then this derived class is acting as a base class for class C, and it is being inherited to class C. So as you can see, like the class is produced from another derived class in this inheritance. So basically there are levels which can be maintained. So that is the reason it is known as multi-level inheritance. So there is a point for this. So whenever the multi-level inheritance occur, the data members of each base class is accessed by their respective derived class. So this is a point which someone needs to keep in mind. So basically if the like you often get confused at what would be for the data members. So the data members of each base class is accessed by their respective derived class. So if there is a data member present in this, it would be accessed by class B. If there are data members present in class B, it would be accessed by class C. So let's have a look at the example as well to get a more deeper understanding for the same. So as you can see, here is a class animal. Now animal is having a property eat. Now there is a class called as dog, which is inheriting properties from animal. Now again there is a class called as puppy, which is deriving its property from class dog. So for the class dog, animal is the base class and dog is the derived class. But for class puppy, puppy is the derived class and dog is the base class. So this is what is happening here. So this is called as multi-level inheritance. So this was all about multi-level inheritance in this video. I hope you are liking my content. So if you're liking my content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel and wants to stay updated about tech related content, off-campus job and intern hiring and much more things, can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're someone who is watching this series and have any kind of feedback, do share me in the comments so that I can improvise myself from the coming videos. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.